When Rocky is not behaving correctly, start with Hermes Doctor. Doctor checks the local Hermes setup and points at missing dependencies, bad config, unavailable tools, or environment problems. Run Hermes Doctor after installation, after changing models, after enabling tools, and after an update. If Doctor reports a fixable issue, Hermes Doctor. Fix can apply supported repairs. Pair it with Hermes Config Check when you suspect the config file is missing new options after an upgrade. If a model fails, inspect Hermes auth list and rerun Hermes model. If a tool is missing, run Hermes tools list and start a fresh session after enabling it. If messaging is the problem, check Hermes gateway status and the gateway logs. The beginner troubleshooting loop is simple. Reproduce the issue, run Doctor, apply one fix, retest with a tiny command, then move on. Do not make 5 changes at once. Rocky gets reliable when each layer is verified.